and one more thing, इस लॉकडाउन में स्टार्टिंग में व्हाट्सएप पे क्या ही चल रहा था भाई, like whatsoever, like any message you eat gobar, you're not gonna get COVID. Yeah, COVID-19, like there's no relevance, like there's no scientific proof, there's no nothing, and I'm so surprised it was passed on by every single person. People just believed it. Why? Because India is middle class people. In India there are many middle class families. It is country of middle class family, and what middle class family believes is culture, and like religion के नाम से कुछ भी करे ना बहुत जल्दी फैल जाता है. वहाँ भी there also people don't try to think on that.
भाई वैसे WhatsApp की बात है तो WhatsApp की कंट्रोवर्सी में भी हम लोग हाथ धो लेते हैं. So what do you say? Privacy, okay. WhatsApp and privacy.
Yeah. Again, when it comes to any social media platform, privacy is gone. Okay. In today's world,
it's like what do you call that? It's like a it's like a contrast. It's like a contrast, right? You want to be social, but you want to be private.
Yeah. And privacy and data in today's world is more important than having nuclear bomb. Okay.
Yes.
It's very much important.
Understanding, like I do not want to get iPhones and Apple into this, but okay, let me just get it because for some reason I really feel that as a company, okay, having very strong sense of understanding of the users, okay, like respecting their own values in the sense that because Apple, right, you cannot have a standard set by any other company other than that because they take such bold measures to encrypt personal data, okay, and being all the iPhone users, I think they really respect that part of, I don't want to get the Android versus iPhone thing here, please, not talking about that. Android have their own, advantages and whatever. I'm not talking about that, but I'm talking about the privacy. And I can really bet on this, that Apples and the iPhones have a good privacy, backing ups compared to their counterparts. Okay.
No doubt on
and
that.
Although here, in the case of WhatsApp, iPhones and phones, like phones in general, Android, iPhones, Microsoft, BlackBerry, whatever, जितने भी OS exist करते हैं, जितने भी companies exist करते हैं जो phone manufacture करते हैं, everyone is included, right? So the threat is possessed to everybody that their data is going to be put out to public. It can be put into public. It's not a definitive thing.
Yeah, they are going to link our WhatsApp accounts with Facebook. That's what I read.
Bro, that is a process, right? But what I'm telling is, it can like what do you call? If it is like put into public, okay, it's not visible to the public, but there is a sure chance that any hacker or any person who is into this industry of cracking the data can breach into it, and that is where the problem occurs.
See. You don't see whatsoever encryption or whatever security you have on your own or data privacy. There's always a way to hack it because agar tu
I was just here watching this video and they said ki WhatsApp has become such a normal trend that your train all your traveling PNRs, okay, you get or booking histories, you get messages. Some people have what do you call this, some payment subscription, so you get that. So and all the major companies have shifted to the WhatsApp, and they're trying to chat with users, and so the business account basically. So it is becoming so what do you call natural that all your data is in without you even wanting it is going to get published to them, like unless there is a good level of encryption.
Okay, WhatsApp has taken over industry, man. Like पूरा कॉल करने, मैसेज करना, SMS का पूरा इंडस्ट्री उन्होंने खा लिया है एक तरह से.
And true.
We can't blame it because they have done that work. Okay, उसके फाउंडर और क्रिएटर ने इतना अच्छा काम किया है. respect that, and yeah, उसका काम का कीमत मिल रहा है उसको, no doubt on that. But we need to think twice and many times on that. Like, is it safe? Share our own data. Yeah. You have.
You know why? Yeah, I do. Okay. So why? Okay, I'll tell you the story of Signal. Why does it even exist, right?
Yeah,
so the WhatsApp was founded by two guys. Okay, and when it was acquired for I think 19 million, 19 million या billion dollars. ऐसा कुछ हुआ. I don't remember the exact.
16
but okay, when
billion.
16 million. Okay.
I think
okay. 16 million.
1600 or $1,600 million.
Whatever, bhai. So, okay. Whenever it was acquired by Facebook, basically, whenever it was acquired by Facebook, one of the co-founders, he backed off. He said, okay, because Facebook always planned on to link all of their platforms, right? They recently got the Facebook Messenger and the Instagram DM Messenger together. Okay. Yeah. Exactly. It's like they want to establish a coexisting system of, it's called an ecosystem. Just like phones have. They're trying to do that. A unified messaging platform that works on your, that works on your payment, that works on your everywhere. Okay, basically. Okay. So the story goes like when the two co-founders were there, and Facebook approached them, and okay, one of them backed off, and he said, okay, if you guys are going to eventually depend. This was back in 2014. He said, if you're going to anytime make this thing, get out the what do you call privacy, and you're going to attack that, okay, I don't want any shares, and I'll come out. And that person who left WhatsApp and Facebook, that merger, he established Signal. He established Signal.
Wow, that is
so Signal. The concept of Signal, the reason it says privacy is at force is because the founder of Signal was aware, in the state of, he respected the concept of privacy.
Yeah, sure. And the founder who has founded WhatsApp, okay, he was rejected by Facebook.
There were two.
Yeah, there were two. One of them was rejected by Facebook. So he created his own application, which was WhatsApp, and he sold same full, very huge amount to Facebook. Yeah. And he sold and he left it. And what I have read is the person who has sold it, he has invested on Signal because he know Signal has more privacy. Like until unless we try it or we use it, we are not going to know for sure. But yeah, and even Elon Musk has tweeted, use Signal, and that has people invested on other Signal company, like other Signal company ka stocks.
Powerful tweets,
and that was a huge hell of controversy on Twitter. Yeah, even Twitter involves in social media. I just forgot, Twitter to controversy ka baap hai.
It is made for that purpose. Yeah. It's almost like it's solely made for that purpose that you can communicate. Anyways, so the existence of Signal was only because people, the founder wanted a more privacy-oriented, outlook towards it. And now, when they're literally almost on the verge of getting things mixed, WhatsApp and Facebook, when almost plan to make that into a layer of ecosystem, I think it's a time that the shift to Signal. The shift to Signal will eventually start taking place, and it's kind of difficult because a lot of things have already been merged to WhatsApp, right?
Exactly,
and it's a very public thing now.
Moreover, your phone number, they ask your WhatsApp number, so it is very difficult. It is going to be very difficult. I'm damn sure.
So and at the same time, the more you delay, you do not know what exactly is going to leak up, or what exactly is going to be taken up by them. So it's a very it's a very dicey situation. You don't know exactly what is going to happen, right? Because if you do not shift to Signal, or if you do not shift to any other messaging app, which is in general, people say WhatsApp. If you do not shift to such kind of a thing, then you're basically staying on WhatsApp, and letting your privacy, just
even any platform
go for a toss.
Even Instagram pe tu
aise
photo हाँ, like अजीब वाले फोटो
मतलब
डालेगा.
अब तू लाइक लिटरली उसको नहीं ले सकता, राइट? इंक्रिप्शंस, हर इंक्रिप्शन का भी वो पर्पस है, मतलब अब दैट ओनली कम्स डाउन टू मैच्योरिटी,
Yeah, it
राइट?
was
कि तू
just
क्या
an
पोस्ट कर रहा है.
example, yeah.
बट इन जनरल हमारे फोन्स में क्या इंस्टाग्राम परमिशन लेता है? ओके, लेता है, राइट? एनी सोशल मीडिया ऐप टेक्स इट, ओके कूल. अगर तू क्या बोलते हैं, व्हाट्सएप पे अभी एक फीचर आने वाला है विच इज कॉल्ड मनी ट्रांसफर समथिंग.
हाँ, yeah,
इट इज
I've heard.
मनी ट्रांसफर. अब उसके लिए तू क्या करेगा, राइट? उसके लिए तेरे को अपने बैंक का वो देना होगा, उसके लिए तेरे को पेटीएम लिंक करना होगा, गूगल पे लिंक करना होगा, कुछ भी तेरे को यूपीआई रिलेटेड कुछ लिंक करना होगा, राइट? सो बेसिकली योर बैंक इज लिटरली गोइंग टू गेट लिंक टू इट.
Exactly.
यू कैन नॉट हेल्प विद दैट नाउ. अब इंस्टाग्राम इज बेसिकली लाइक मैसेजिंग थिंग, राइट? उस पे तू फोटो जो शेयर कर रहा है, दैट इज लाइक योर सोशल दिस थिंग, इंटरेक्शंस. बट व्हाट्सएप इज बिकम मोर लाइक अ मैसेजिंग थिंग. It's a very different thing.
Yes thing, yeah.
Right?
And
Messaging
yeah,
versus
you can just avoid having business on WhatsApp, or like just money transfers, and there are more safer platforms where you can have uh, banking, net banking and all, so you don't have to be dependent on WhatsApp Pay. Okay, if they have really good feature, yeah, but still you don't have to do that. There are many other platforms more safe and all.
There is no what do you call surety that WhatsApp धोखा नहीं देगा. मतलब okay, it's not like they can,
like,
it's not like they won't.
Yeah, but धोखा देने की बात हो ही नहीं सकती, क्योंकि there are billions of people who use WhatsApp, and एक छोटी गलती उनकी बहुत भारी पड़ सकती है. So they are not going to do any bad step or wrong step, but still you got to take care of your own privacy. You really take care of your own data. You should be
just consider what you're going to put it out on public.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, to any person for that, like one-on-one conversation, just be careful what you're going to put out.
Data can make people's life. Data can destroy people's life. It is very powerful. Yeah,
it can.
It can, like, we have our own privacy. The country have their own policies, but China has its own. वो अलग ही देश है यार, मतलब अलग ही दुनिया है उधर. Whichever app they make, they need to link with government. So every information we upload to Chinese apps and all, it is going to link to government. So China government के पास दुनिया में कितने भी लोग हैं, सबका information है already. So I don't think,
and that can be one thing, right? But okay, that is whether you could say that is like one of the differences, right? Our country is not almost close enough to pass the Privacy Act. Okay, I just heard that it's almost like 3 years since a bill is going to be passed that is going to have the civilian privacy, like the social interaction privacy, something of that sort into place. Right? Okay.
One point about China. Okay, China is no less harmful than North Korea. It just shows they are good, but we don't know their reality, because I'm sure everyone knows Jack Ma here, and he's been missing from 2-3 months. Before 2-3 months, he's at some meeting or summit. He told,
he exploited his own government.
Not exploited exactly, but he told something against the government.
Yeah, not exploited.
Yeah.
He went against his own government.
Yeah, maybe in indirect way, but since then he's missing, dude. Like, he was the richest person in Asia. He was fourth richest, second richest. That is something no one can touch it. Wealthiest person, like, you can't touch Elon Musk. They have their own value, they have their own standards. But in China, 2-3 billionaires, richest people are been missing, and that is something very dangerous from their side. So it is a dangerous country. It might be beautiful, but it is dangerous. Yeah, so I would like to conclude it like, whatever
migrate to Signal. I think let Signal be the new norm. But what do you say? Should we like conclude with saying like Signal? Fair. Okay, no,
so like I would like to conclude in something like this. Okay, whatever you do, think twice, how many more times you can, and do it.
Yeah.
Social media is a dangerous thing. It can be very dangerous. It can help you in having good ways. You can career on in that, but you can even destroy it.
It's a new thing.
You can get your career on social media. You can even destroy it on social media.
It's a new thing. Yeah. True.
So take care of your privacy, take care of your data, take care of yourself, and
social presence. Take care of your social presence.
yeah, take care of your social presence. And there's no compulsion that you need to be on social media. Take care of your life
Bye.
first, then you
Muhammad,
come on social media. Take care of your life. Be healthy, be cheerful,
Yeah.
have positive attitude. Okay, yeah. So
Cool.
you have any words to say, Akshat? Or let's just end it.
Yeah, let's just end it, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. AK signing off. Until next time, see ya and take care.
Bye.